The meme coin market is back once again. Crypto is pumping right now, and it seems like every day a new token is created that makes the creator very, very rich. About 2 weeks ago, for example, somebody made a GameStop token, and it's already valued at over $75 million, which is absolutely insane. Now, what I don't see a lot of talk about is how you can create your very own token and immediately get a slice of that delicious crypto money pie. Really quickly, before I get raided by the FBI, I want to say this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Although I am creating a real cryptocurrency token in this video, I'm making this video just to show you how easy it is, how anybody can do it, and how you really shouldn't be putting your money into these kind of tokens, and how you should always be extremely careful when trading online. It is the Wild West out here in the crypto space. Also, shout out to Biaheza. He made a video a couple years ago making his own token, and I wanted to give it a try and add a couple twists, so I appreciate the inspiration. All right, now that we got that covered, let's get into it. I always thought that creating a cryptocurrency required a bunch of skills in coding and development, and most importantly, a huge pile of money to get it started. But I've learned that that's just simply not the case. Maybe for creating your own cryptocurrency network, blockchain, and you have a crazy product you're developing and all that kind of stuff, that yes, but for the simple meme coins you see popping up every single day, it's actually pretty simple. So in this video, like I said, I'm going to create my very own cryptocurrency meme coin. Now, after doing some late night research, I concluded that this is actually going to be much easier and cheaper than I thought. It really comes down to the network we want to launch our token on. We obviously have Bitcoin, we have the Ethereum network, we got Binance, we've got Solana. Ethereum is technically the OG network. For example, Dogecoin, which you probably all know, is on the Ethereum network. But the downside of Ethereum is the network fees. It's like $20 or so just for a simple transaction, and we don't want that limiting our token. That's like buying a $10 t-shirt and getting slapped in the face with a $25 shipping cost. Nobody wants to do that. So instead of using the Ethereum network, we're going to build our token on the Solana network, which right now is getting the most attention out of all the other blockchains. So Solana is the perfect blockchain to build our token on. Solana almost has zero fees. It's like a fraction of a cent, which is great, and that will make it much easier for people to buy our coin. So to get started, we need to buy some Solana on Coinbase. So I'm gonna go on my phone and buy some Solana. I bought some and then transferred the Solana from my phone to my computer on my Phantom wallet, which is the wallet I use for Solana. It's like the #1 Solana wallet out there. Once the funds are in my wallet, I'm ready to start building my token. So I'm gonna go over to oriontools.io and connect my wallet. Once connected, you can see how easy this is. There's no coding actually required. Now for the name of our token, I did some research. I looked at the current tokens that were trending right now, tried to see if there were some similarities between them all. After having to lock in for a few hours, my meme coin research was complete and I had a name for my token. Introducing Chompy. All right, here we go. I just wrote the description. We have our Chompy cow, Chompy coin for our symbol, 9 decimals, 1 billion supply, and a short description along with our image right here. Now for the logo, I went on Fiverr and hired someone to make me a cartoon version for about $30. Long story short, that didn't turn out how I wanted it to. So I pulled up Photoshop, used AI to tweak the photo a little bit. So we have our logo right here. Chompy cow is a baby Highland cattle chomping on some grass. He was the chosen one. His fur is magical and his farts help the environment. Perfect. And then once all that's filled out, we can just click create token. It costs about $45 in Solana to create our token. So it's been about 1 minute, and you can see by looking at our wallet, we have 1 billion Chompy token in our wallet and we're good to go. Once we publish our coins, technically I can start sending it to my friends right away, but it can't be publicly traded, meaning that some random person can't just go ahead and buy Chompy coin. I can only send it to my friends, but I can't transact 1 Solana for X amount of Chompy coin. So in order to do that, we need to create a liquidity pool. And to do that, we need to refresh the page, scroll down a little bit on Orion Tools, and select the token that we're going to create a liquidity pool for. So I'm going to do that and then click confirm. We also need to revoke mint authority, meaning that we aren't allowed to mint more of these tokens. So if there's a 1 billion supply, we can't print another 1 billion. The same process, just select the drop down menu and click confirm. After that, I went to radium.io, which is a decentralized exchange where we can buy these meme coins and sell them. There, I created a market ID for my token by selecting Chompy and connecting it to Solana. After I made the market, I got my market ID, which is super important. I don't want to lose that, and created a liquidity pool by pasting my market ID and providing some liquidity. I put up about $2,500 worth of Solana and 70% of my token supply, or 700 million Chompy cow tokens. By providing liquidity to this pool, my token is now publicly tradable. So let's test and see if I can go ahead and buy on a fresh wallet with no Chompy coin in it, just Solana. See if I can exchange that Solana for Chompy coin. If it goes through, I did everything right. Fingers crossed. So to buy the token, you just need to manually paste the contract address of Chompy into the top bar right here. So you can see 0.25 Solana gets me about 5,400,000 Chompy coin. Boom. Pow. It worked. I now have 5,248,000 Chompy coin on a brand new wallet over here. If I click my wallet, Boom, we did it. Although our token is now publicly tradable, meaning anybody can buy and sell it, the job is not done yet.
Job's not finished.
I still have about 30% of the total supply in my wallet. That's technically not a great look. I don't want people thinking I can just sell the 30%, which I'm not gonna do that. There's a few things you can do to make your token look more legitimate. One, I could lock the liquidity in that pool, meaning that I can't touch that $2,500 worth of Solana and 700 million Chompy coins that I added. So anybody who goes to buy that token now can see that and will think a developer can't just rug this project and take the entire liquidity out. It makes people feel much safer buying your coin. Two, you can split up your holdings. So like I said, I have 30% in one wallet. I could have a different wallet for like a marketing team and have 5% in there. I could have a different wallet for airdrops and have 10% in there. I could split up the other 15% into 10, 15 other different wallets. Not only does that, one, add to the number of holders holding your token, so artificially inflates it, but it two, removes any red flags, so people who are looking at your token won't see, oh, there's 30% of the total supply being owned by one wallet. Now, is that shady? Yes, but that's why teams have a whole plan. They tell the people who buy their token exactly what the plan is with that extra 30% or 10% or whatever percentage you want to keep. I'm not gonna do any of that shady stuff. I'm not here to scam anybody. I'm just showing you guys how easy it is to make this token, how it doesn't really require much expertise at all, and how you should always be careful when buying and selling these tokens. So our token is officially created, good to go. It's being publicly traded. Now we need to start getting some hype. We need to start marketing our token, because if we're not marketing, then token's not going to go anywhere. First up, in order to do that, we need to create a social media account or accounts. I think the very most important one is Twitter. That's where all of crypto is. So I made the Twitter account. I bought some followers. Another thing I could do is build a website. So I went over to Canva and built a one-page simple website. You can see right here, Chompy Cow. I'll have our Twitter. I'll have a little disclaimer at the bottom, which I took from Biahez's video, which she took from Tech Lead's video. So seems to be working. I'm not trying to go to jail. I don't know what else I can say at this point. What I would recommend you do to learn how to market your cryptocurrency token is follow other coins on Twitter and see what they're doing. Here's one for an example. It's called Dog in Fire. It's the meme of the dog sitting in the fire. What could I do after this to help marketing? I could spam Twitter, just spam replies. Elon Musk tweets something. I will add the cow eating in that photo. Any type of celebrity post something, you just copy paste the cow eating somewhere in that photo. That could be my marketing plan. So there you have it. We now have officially created our token, made it publicly tradable, created our social media accounts, started marketing. We've done everything. That's exactly how you launch a token. That's how easy it is to launch a token. That's how anybody can launch a token, really. It doesn't take much effort at all. I did it in 20 minutes, 25 minutes. If I really wanted to and I wasn't filming a video, I could pump out a new token in like 5 minutes, if that. And most of that time, it's just waiting for transactions to complete. That being said, be careful with Solana tokens. Be careful buying any meme coin online. There's a reason why it's called a meme coin. Memes come and go. You can make a lot of money, but you can also lose everything. Mentally, in your brain, think of that money as gone. Don't put money into the market that you need. I'm trying to think what else I can say here. Don't buy my token. I'm just showing you exactly how it works. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.